These are the tools I have. A C-frame dimple set. I have 1/8 inch, 3/32 regular and 3/32 substructure dimple dies snapback. The 10 1/2 inch, 6 inch, and 4 2-inch Cleco clamps. 300 WedgeLock, 3/32 Clecos. I have 45 1/8 non-WedgeLock. I have 60 or so non-WedgeLock Cleco 3/32. Some drill bits, 30 and 40 and 12 inch, 3 or 4 of the number 30 and 40 drill bits here. These are tin snips left and right. Rivet cutter. I have the Microstop countersink tool, 3/32 punch. Cleco pliers, fluting pliers, hole debugging tool. I have the shaviv, the Scotchbrite wheel, 1 and 2 inch drill mounted wheels, 5 Scotchbrite pads, blind rivet puller. I got an Avery back rivet plate, back rivet set, the Cleaveland tools pneumatic squeezer with an adjustable set, a 3-inch yoke, lubricating oil for the adjustable sets, the flat rivet sets that it comes with. Some oops rivets I bought from Vans, some extra rivets that I bought to cut down to size. Then I have an ATS 3X gun set with the gun, 4 steel bucking bars, springs, and then flat offset and straight universal sets. And I also have a table I built from the plans that Cleveland Tools sent with the dimple tool. If you live in the Austin area, I'll throw that in as well.